RWT, this is gonna be a loud one. Headphone warning. Fine. Bruh, you failed. Hey, you actually activated. Good job, Vector. Now you get turned off. You went off, you went off. What the actual world? You went off, you went off, you went off. All of these went off, except for you. WTF. Oh, you died.
Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Drum Point. Rest of today, northwest winds 50 knots with gusts to 20 knots. Waves 2 feet. Tonight, north...
Well, that was easy. That was a short one, it seemed. Okay, you went off, you went off, you went off, you went off, you went off. You went off, you went off, did not go off, you did not go off, you went off, you went off, you went off, and obviously the WX-167 did not. And the Vector went off. Nice. I think that was pretty successful.